In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can get free traffic to your affiliate links so you can promote your affiliate links and earn commission. So this will be a quick tutorial for you guys. I will make this super easy step by step. So let's get started. So what you need to do guys is first you need to open business account on Pinterest. Okay, so this website, let me show you. If we go to Google and we search for how many users use Pinterest, you can see over here that this website has 450 million monthly active users. Millions of people are using Pinterest guys, and you can get so much traffic to your affiliate links and you can earn commission. So this website is really helpful for your affiliate links to promote your affiliate links. If you just started, you can start with this one for free. Of course, you don't need to invest any money. Just go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page like this, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, people, this one for example is promoting his YouTube channel over here, his YouTube video, because this website guys has a million of users. You can get so much traffic to your affiliate links. So like I said, after you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page. What you need to do, just click over here on home feed. I'm going to show you how you can promote your affiliate links now. Click on home feed, click over here on create pin. Okay, it's gonna take you to this page over here, as you can see. So what you need to do is you need to upload a picture about your affiliate product that you are promoting or affiliate service. Okay, this method works for any affiliate links you are promoting. Okay, so click over here. So for me, for example, I want to promote this Amazon affiliate link. Okay, this Amazon affiliate, this Amazon product as an affiliate. So what you need to do, so for me, I just need to upload this picture to my laptop, and I will go back. So let me show you. I will go back to Pinterest, click over here, and I will upload the picture, this picture about my product that I'm promoting as an affiliate, like this. As you can see, what you need to do next is just scroll down like this, and you can see over here title. Okay, so you need to put your title here. So for me, I'm gonna go back to this Amazon page and I will just copy this title over here, and I will go back to Pinterest, put this, and let's put this title here. Okay, so what we need next, we need description. I will go back to Amazon, to this page, and I will just scroll down. You can put your description. So this method, like I said guys, works for any affiliate links you are promoting. So just put your description, put your title, your description. What you need to do now is you need to put your affiliate link here. I will go to Amazon and I will copy my affiliate link from here. This is my affiliate link, as you can see. I will just copy this link. I will go back to Pinterest and I'm gonna put this affiliate link here. So what you need to do, scroll down, you can see over here choose a board. Okay, click on this. If you are new, click over here on create a board, and you just need to give it a name. Okay, so for me, for example, and you can create as many as you want. I already create those boards over here. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here text about your affiliate service or product that you are promoting. So for me, I will just copy those keywords in my title, and I will use those keywords here. Okay, so what you need to do next, just click over here on publish, and here you go. Let me see. Here you go, your affiliate link will be promoted on Pinterest, and you can get so much traffic from Pinterest to your affiliate links. Okay, because millions of people are using this website guys. Okay, as you can see, your affiliate link will be over here like this. Your picture about your affiliate service or product will be here, your title and your description. Okay, it's really easy and simple. So that's how you can get free traffic to your affiliate links. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment and leave like this video, and see you in my next videos.